I'm going out to the French Broad today. I'm taking a new kayaker on a little float trip for his first time. You probably can't see me now, but I can't see either, so that works. Anyway, so I'm taking a new kayaker out for his first float trip on the river today. Not sure how the fishing will be. Normally this spot it's okay, but we don't normally catch anything big. But anyway, I'm gonna get out here, see if I can get him on some fish. We're gonna have a good time regardless, and I will see you guys later. Feels like it. It's a nice one too. It's a fish. I wish I had caught it right here though. Yeah. Now if I can get off this death trap, I'm freaking sit on the hood right now. There we go. Whew, I did not like that. That is crazy. I don't think I've ever caught a smallmouth on top of a truck before. Woo! Man, I did not like that. You got one too? There you go. Catch a smallmouth from a truck. Apparently those smallmouth are stacking at that truck. There we go, right there. Look at that, guys. That is a pig right there on the Jackall rhythm wave. Do what? Yeah. That was a 18 and a quarter inch smallmouth.
Yeah, I was sort of worried about that. Then I caught that fish, and I could tell it was a fish and not the truck. So this truck's been here about, I think, 3 months now. Yeah.
Okay guys, so this fishing trip, like I said at the beginning, I was taking a new guy out for his first time. And I think he caught one smallie. I ended up with 2 smallies and 1 spot. And my camera died after I caught the big smallmouth, and the spot, I just forgot to save the footage. So those 2 fish were not on video. Go check out my Instagram, link below. You can see everything I caught that day. And that was just an insane experience. I hooked in that smallmouth right in front of that truck, and next thing I know, I'm on the hood and I'm stuck. And it was kind of sketchy. So my kayak was really bottomed out on that hood, and I had to push off of it in the current, and I hope that I didn't end up flipping. Which is kind of funny, because that new guy, I told him, I said, make sure you do not go near that truck, and 30 seconds later, I'm stuck on top of it. But that was a pretty fun experience, fighting an 18-1/4-inch smallmouth on top of the hood of a truck, and it getting wrapped up in the antenna and still landing the fish. So, just want to do an outro, because I know I didn't have a whole lot of commentary. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, I'll see you out there on the river.